His eyes make stars look like they're not shining. His hair falls perfectly without him trying. He's so wonderful, and I tell him every day. I know, when I compliment him, he won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that he don't see what I see. But every time he asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause boy, you're amazing, just the way you are. His lips, I could kiss them all day if he let me. His laugh, he hates but I think it's so sexy. He's so wonderful, and I tell him every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know what I'd say when I see your face. There's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing.